For the very first time in Hilton Academy's history, we are proud to launch an exclusive competition designed just for our students. This is your stage, your moment, and your chance to make history with us. We started with 18 in the kitchen, and the pressure was on from the very first minute. In the end, only 10 could make it through, so who would it be?
The atmosphere this morning is absolutely sensational. It's very energetic. Overall, I think it's going to be a pretty tough competition. The guys, give it 100%. Give it all you can possibly can. Go for it, because this can open a whole lot of new doors and a whole lot of new opportunities.
The race began, and students had just 15 minutes to grab their ingredients for the English breakfast. Alright chefs, are you ready? The 45 minutes for cooking started in 3, 2, 1...
It's something that I've never done before. Neither, because I don't have experience as a chef, as a cook at the moment.
Yes, this is my first time in the competition, and I'm really nervous and so excited.
Excited because, it's like the time to show my skills and see how good I can do.
Feel excited and a bit nervous actually to start, but we gotta start somewhere, right?
It's holidays, I'm making it to top of my project. So I'm making it very light because for me, I don't really like it super strong.
The clock was ticking, knives were moving fast, and the aromas were filling the room. Some were moving with confidence and others were still deciding their path. Only 5 minutes remain, plates must be polished, flavors perfected, and presentations ready. Keep it together, chefs. Don't panic under pressure.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hands went up and time was over. What an incredible effort under pressure. The cooking was done, but the challenge was far from over. It was time to see whose dish would impress the judges. We took a closer look at all 18 dishes lined up before us. Each one was unique, each one told a story. But only half of these creations qualified to win and move forward to the next round. This was the hardest part of the challenge. The judges were diving in, looking at presentation first before testing the balance of flavors.
Yeah.
Confident you're gonna pass the second round?
Yes.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Now I have confidence. I think I'm going for the second round. I don't know, I'm terrified. Because I panicked on the timer. But who knows? Hopefully.
And it was time to reveal who would continue their journey in the Culinary Challenge 2025.
Zimai,
Brian, Mogollon, Mark Dela Cruz, Aranga, Sacchini, Pick, Rachel, Nizar,
Josuo Carl,
and finally the social media winner, Jim Lee Balones.
Each of you had shown courage, creativity, and passion. No matter the outcome, you had made history at Hilton Academy. Congratulations to our top 10 chefs. See you in the next round.